What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We're here in Guyton, Georgia. We are supporting my buddy right there. He lives in this subdivision right here, and he did a little small bike night. Nothing crazy, you know, just for us local guys. And he hit up Robert Simmons, and Robert Simmons hit me up. So we're here supporting him in a little small bike night. So it's pretty cool. Nice subdivision. The pool's open already. Look at this. Pool is popping right there. So I'm going to show you guys the bikes that came out today. Like I said, it was only like a 2-hour bike night. Just here to support my buddy. And then we'll go from there. So we got Rob is about to do a U-turn on a sport bike. This is gonna be amazing. You look good in a sport bike.
Everything about this, well, it would have to be a bigger sport bike than this.
What is that one?
What'd you say, 600? That's 1,000. Oh, this is 1,000?
That's a big boy.
Come on now, this is ridiculous.
That's big
How
boy.
light this is 1,000?
The 600, you're gonna be like, it's a toy. It's true. Have you ever got on a sport?
I even know how to start it.
Have you ever got on a sport bike?
Yeah, they just said the whole story, man. Watch the video.
I missed it. Damn it.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
And I bought that shit right now. CEO.
What's up, guys?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say in the building.
In the building, baby. All right. Stall. It's a whole new ball game. He's feeling out the clutch because this is a different ball game of this. Okay, he's feeling it out. That's a big circle.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna get.
All right, he's trying it one more time.
You know what? Let me try
A wheelie?
right turn and left turn from the stop. So if somebody came to the private lesson, practice session with this, yeah, they're gonna get tired quicker. You're leaning over the whole time.
One of my friends went from Jersey to Florida in a sport bike. He rides with the whole group, and then he was chilling. Chilling.
How much is the bike cost? Okay, $8,000. But I can see I'm in first gear with the clutch pulled in. Not on the hole, you can't. It's ridiculous. Right, when I know I'm in first gear, step number 2, covering the rear brake, which I'm doing. Slow the throttle. Keep it low.
It's not bad.
I feel like I'm swallowing this thing.
guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride down from where we live up there, and then heading down to downtown Savannah. We had stopped by here at the Chevron to get some gas, and the guys are taking a little break, and then right from here we're splitting off. All right, so the bikes look good, the pipes sound amazing, everybody's bike sounds crazy good. You know what I mean? So they're the fellas right there.
Camilo, you're next, man.
What?
Your subdivision's up next.
Oh man, my subdivision's up next. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Tune in to the next video. Peace out.